my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. In this video, I will show you how to fork a conversation and the benefits of doing so. Now, I have opened the chat that I had with the AI. I have given the AI a persona, a marketing expert skilled in crafting compelling digital campaigns, etc., etc. So I instructed it further down. I gave it a summary of the company the AI is working for. I asked it to define the buyer persona and suggest a digital strategy. Now, with a forking option, a colleague of mine can branch off the chat from a certain message and start a new chat. Let's say they would like to fork from the last message because they don't want to pollute my conversation. They will click on fork chat, name the chat, and decide to fork from the beginning of the chat until this message or this message only. I'm gonna click on fork chat. What forking does is that it creates a perfect copy of the original chat so that my colleague can continue it on their own. This is useful for several reasons, and one of it is that they won't pollute my context and my chat, and this is very, very important. So the second thing is that while I have followed the chat, I can have two chats at the same time that diverge in different directions. For instance, over here, I can tell it, tell me more about retention and upselling. And the AI will start telling me more about that part of the plan it has suggested. However, I can go back to the chat I forked from and say, for example, tell me more about conversion optimization. So this is powerful because once you start in one direction, the AI is already on the mindset of that topic. For example, here I have asked about conversion optimization, and if I then continue with awareness and lead generation, the AI will probably confuse the two topics. The main benefits of forking are that you can explore different parts of a conversation. You can fork from an earlier point in time once you have diverged, and different colleagues can copy and work on the same conversation without messing it up. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.